The National Weather Service in State College has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Cumberland County in south-central Pennsylvania, West Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was spotted over Mechanicsburg or Lemoyne, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs and trees. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Middletown, Steelton, Wormleysburg, New Cumberland and Rutherford. For your protection, move to an interior room in the lowest floor of the building.